In a large workshop or production hall, maintaining a warm environment goes beyond mere comfort. It's essential for boosting productivity, safeguarding employee health, and extending equipment lifespan. This is where the value of an industrial warm air heater truly shines. The Eco 250 industrial warm air heater from KGY stands out as one of the most powerful and advanced options on the market. This large-scale industrial heater delivers a thermal capacity of 290 kW and an airflow rate of 23,500 CFM, enabling it to rapidly and efficiently heat spaces ranging from 4,000 to 8,000 cubic meters. Its precision-engineered design, featuring a modular furnace and heat exchanger, maximizes heat transfer surfaces areas to achieve an impressive 94% efficiency, positioning the Eco 250 among the world's top industrial heating systems. Key advantages of the Eco 250 industrial heater: high airflow volume and exceptional 600 Pascal static pressure for uniform heat distribution throughout the entire space. Rapid heating and robust air circulation, ideal for expansive areas that need to reach optimal temperatures quickly. Multi-layered safety features, including a digital thermostat, emergency shutdown system, explosion pop-up cap, pressure relief valve, and advanced electrical safeguards. Fuel versatility, compatible with gas, diesel, or dual-fuel burners. Simplified service and maintenance with quick access to components, minimizing downtime and operational costs. Low noise levels, suitable for noise-sensitive work environments. Space-efficient design that optimizes footprint without compromising performance. Durable construction using galvanized steel sheet with electrostatic powder coating for superior resistance to corrosion and impact. Equipped with an IP55 rated and S1 duty electric motor designed for continuous and safe operation. Precise temperature control via integration with ambient thermostats and automation systems to enhance energy efficiency. Backed by a comprehensive 24-month warranty and extensive after-sales support. Fitted with a high-quality and vacuum KGY burner, ensuring easy servicing and long-term durability. These features deliver a safe, energy-efficient, and reliable heating solution that reduces energy and maintenance expenses while guaranteeing workplace comfort and safety. For technical consultations, selecting the right model based on your space, dimensions, and requirements, or assistance with purchase and installation, reach out to our sales team. We've got you covered.